This being one of the largest landfills in the country, a lot of man hours are expended walking around trying to find issues. My name is Douglas Strathdee, and I am the Landfill Gas Optimization Lead. I've worked at Klickitat Public Utility District since August of 2021. Before the LoCI system came on board, we saw a steady decline in our production. In the 3 years since we've introduced them, we've seen about a 12.5% increase in production, about 150,000 decatherms. When the LoCI system first came on, we went from adjusting the field twice a month to now being able to adjust up to hourly. So instead of once every 2 weeks, we can get up to 24 a day on each device. In 2018, we commissioned the H.W. Hill gas plant, which we were taking landfill gas, converting it to renewable natural gas, and putting sustainable gas on the gas grid at the rate of 5,000 to 5,700 decatherms a day, which we are still doing to this day. Well, landfill serves all of the Northwest, dozens and dozens of communities, also communities in British Columbia as well. The landfill footprint is approximately 800 acres, with 300 acres being used to place trash at this time. We have a total of 300 wells, 250 of them being vertical wells and another 50 being horizontal wells. We have about 300 wells that we produce 5,000 to 5,700 decatherms a day, and we have an off-taker that takes all of it and they use it to help reduce their carbon footprint. We started looking at LoCI Controls in 2017, and to us it looked complicated and more than we really needed. We were using dynamic tuning to adjust the field, which is lowering and raising the vacuum to the whole field at the same time. We realized that this was a hatchet. We needed more of a scalpel to do what we wanted to do. So we decided to take another look at LoCI Controls. Out of the 300 or so wells we have LoCI devices on about 270 of them. We don't have LoCI devices on about 30 of our wells that are equilibrium flow wells, which means they don't need to be opened or closed. They're just kept at a constant minimum pressure. Our methane quality would vary up to 4%. Now using the LoCI system, we see less than 0.5% of variation. We are seeing record levels of production at our plant. Now the operators don't have to be as hyper-focused on the quality of the gas coming out of the field. They can put their energies and efforts more towards what's going on in the plant. One thing we realized the further we went with LoCI, the more measurements it made, the smoother our plant runs. So now, whenever we add wells to the landfill, we automatically add a LoCI device. The old way, one person would have to go out twice a month and measure every well. Now, with the LoCI Well Watcher platform, I can sit at my desk and see the quality of every well right at my fingertips. When I come in the morning, the first thing I do is open up Well Watcher. LoCI gives us the precision on each well to adjust it the way we need to. Plus, working with LoCI, they have a team that's very passionate about what they do. There's really no comparison.